When you think aerospace, you think planes and rockets, but there is so much more. I mean, we're used for designing combines, we're used for designing boats, and people just don't think of that when they think of aerospace. And I'm just really excited about the many opportunities that I didn't know I had when I came in here.
It's like the study of any kind of materials that go through the air.
That covers such a broad range from working on rockets or working on planes into what I first heard as one of the definitions was working on the aerodynamics of a golf ball.
Aerospace engineering to me was like being able to go into space and study that kind of stuff. That was like the main thing that attracted me right there.
It seems like it covers a lot of the engineering fields. Like we've learned a little bit of everything throughout our time here.
We launch weather balloons with payloads that contain either science experiments or radio equipment up into near space. We currently have a record of 121,793 feet.
One year I designed a solar plane, UAV plane, just small 3-foot sections, and then powered by the sun, and it was a lot of fun.
It's hands-on as opposed to just reading it from a book. Instead of just having your teachers tell you, well, this is what you're going to do, you can actually apply it.
I've always had a real interest in planes. I come from a family of pilots, and I've always been good at math and science, so I figured, what better way to combine the two than go into aerospace engineering.
With labs like these, it really helps you to hone in on something that you're just taught in the classroom. I've really enjoyed working hands-on with something that I didn't even think about when I came into the program.
When I came here, I loved the people, and it just felt kind of like home on campus to me. Then when I went and walked through Howe, it was a lot better than any of the other aerospace buildings I had come into.
The classes are very well taught. The teachers are very knowledgeable, they're very approachable. If you have a question, just walk into their office.
The facilities are amazing. I'm actually working my first summer doing research for a professor, and I've been able to work in the wind tunnel testing area and work on the tornado simulator, which has just been an amazing experience for me.
3 different wind tunnels, all ranging different sizes, so you can test small things, and we also have a 6x8 wind tunnel, so you can put a full person in there and stand up in there and test airfoils that are that big.
Facilities are great. We've got the C6, we've got the tornado simulator, we've got a few wind tunnels that students can use throughout their time at Iowa State or with an open lab project.
I hope to work at NASA or Lockheed Martin. NASA would be optimal because they do a lot of balloon flights as well with zero pressure, which is not, we're trying to do that here, but we haven't done it yet.
I've always wanted to work for mission control.
Now I'm just starting to realize how much there is in wind energy for aerospace engineers.
I'd love to be working in missile defense systems. That'd be the best.
It just seems like an awesome thing to do for the rest of my life.